I still have the frame active from the previous exercise where we made the container, the frame, larger so it occupies 2 squares in the grid. But we don't have enough image to fill that with. Well, as long as it's still active, we can go across to the properties panel on the right hand side of the screen to a group of options that are called frame fitting. And this will all dictate how the content fits in conjunction with the frame. Now from here, if I hover over the very first option left hand side, one of the more popular ones, it is to fill the frame proportionally. So regardless of whether the frame is too big or too small, it will make sure that there is no gaps seen inside of that frame. When I left click on that, that's what it'll do in this case. So it doesn't stretch and distort the artwork, it just makes sure that it fills it. You'll notice that the picture that we added earlier of the forest, when I left click on that frame to activate it, we only see a small portion of it. So again, I can use the same technique. Hover across to frame fitting options and then click on fill frame proportionally. This time it shrinks down in size to make sure that the frame is still filled, but this is as small as the picture will go down without leaving any gaps. So those are 2 very useful, very regular day-to-day edits that you'll need to make to get your artwork to fill the containers, which are frames inside of InDesign.